Okay, I'm going to show you how to put this band on the COOC Smart Model S100C portable speaker. This strap is very hard to put on, and forgive me because I'm not used to recording stuff. So if you try to take this and put it through there, it stops and you cannot grab it no matter how hard you push. I figured out a way how to do this. You could use twist ties that have paper on one side. These come from garbage bags. If you use regular twist ties that are all plastic, it won't work because the twist tie will slip. I'm going to take one of these and take one side is slick and the other one is paper-like, and take it and thread it through just a little bit like this, and then take the handle and just start it on there, and then hold the strap and the twist tie and pull and pull, and voila, there you go. Okay.